Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering documents, PAN, Aadhaar, and a bank proof. Once done, log into Console or Kite and check whether mobile change is allowed online. Many brokers require a physical request. If online is available, request change and expect an OTP on your current number. Use it quickly. If not, download and print the broker's change of details form, sign it, and attach notarized copies of your ID and bank proof. You must include your client ID and current email for verification. Next, you complete verification, enter the new mobile number and trigger OTP. This proves possession. If OTP arrives, verify quickly and save the confirmation screen. If the platform rejects online change, prepare the signed form with KYC copies and courier or submit physically to the broker's specified address. Make sure to request and save an acknowledgement number or an email receipt. This creates an audit trail, and make sure to ask the support team for the expected processing time and next steps. Finally, you verify completion. After the broker processes the request, you'll get an email or SMS confirming the new number. Log out and log back in to see the updated contact. If you don't receive confirmation within the stated timeframe, contact support immediately and provide the acknowledgement number plus screenshots of your submission. Make sure originals are available if asked for in-person verification. Troubleshooting tip: if OTPs fail, check DND settings, network, and ensure the courier track documents reach the processing team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.